Okay, so welcome back to another episode bringing this MG back to life. Today, finally, parts have arrived. Got new coil, new fuel pump, brake cylinders, suspension strap, fuel pipes, O-rings. We should have now all the parts to get it up and running. I think it's falling. So yeah, get the carbs back built together. Today's episode, I'm either going to be doing the brakes, which I think we might do that first. So then tomorrow we can focus on the carburetors and get it running. Okay, so now it's up in the air, and we're going to do the rear brakes because the seat's on. So I'm cleaning it up there, can't really see it because it's dark. I'm cleaning the discs up. Then I'm cleaning the pads up. Cleaning the discs up, clean the pads, put it all back on. Just getting the wheels back on in a sec. Done the offside as well. That was all rusty. Okay, so the rear brakes are drum brakes, which are different to the front as they're disc brakes, and the drums were just not coming off. I tried, but I just could not get those brake drums off because the shoes were so seized on. So my dad had to take over a bit and show me how to do it on the near side, so on the off side I could do it. So on the other side I did with Dad. We found that the brake cylinders were corroded on and stuck pushed out with the brakes on. That's why the drums were so hard to get off, because the brake shoes were pushing out onto them, so like the brakes were stuck on, and they were also corroded, so that didn't help. This is actually what I'm explaining here, but it's got the radio on in the background and I'm pretty sure I can't post it, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. Apologies. So the plan's simple: get the brakes off, clean them up and rebuild them better than they were before with new cylinders. And then I think it's going to be quite difficult to get off, so we'll try and just prise it open. Let's get it off. The brakes are seized onto this drum, so you can try. Just give it a bang all the way around. Just loosen it up a bit. And just try and get this under it. Try and get it open a bit. Come in. I'm going to struggle with this. There we go. It's off. Just going to give that a clean round. Some brake cleaner in there. Get these off. Renewing that. Renewing that. Just give it a clean round. And adjust it. And brakes will be done. Okay, so I've actually done this on the Beetle. So I sort of get how these brakes work. You just take these off first. I don't know if you can see it or not, if it's bright enough. But it's got one of these. And you have to line it up. Oh, it's not focusing. Focus. There you go. So you have to line that up. Make it go through that hole. Otherwise it won't go through, so you have to twist it to get it through. And how I'm doing that, you may ask. I'll drop the spring. Some more grips. Pushing it on and giving it quarter of a turn, which was a lot easier on the Beetle than on this. Wrong way. There you go. Hey. bring me down. That's annoying. Here I'm trying to get the old brake actuator off and the brake cylinder. It was quite difficult. There you go. These are the things we're swapping over. And apart from that, that's all we swapped. The rest of it, we just cleaned it up and put the originals back on. Yeah. So here I've got some emery cloth and I'm just cleaning up the brake drums and shoes. Now I'm fitting all the new parts back onto it after it's all been cleaned up. Ready to rebuild it and get it back together. Front disc brakes are done. Rear brakes are waiting for this part to be renewed. And then I think all I have to do is literally just put it all back together. Put the handbrake back in. Can't really think of anything else. I've cleaned it all up. So yeah, put it all back together and obviously adjust it so it's right. I've also got a new one of these ones coming. Okay, so pretty chill day today. I'm just going to be cleaning up all the suspension with a wire brush. So yeah, let's get to it. Quick before and after. Can't really tell on the camera, but a lot better. Exciting day because we've got parts. Whee! So this is obviously that suspension bracket. Okay, so we've got that keeping the pipe hooked off so no brake fluid comes out. And then we're doing this bolt. Just a little bit. Just enough to loosen it. So then now we're going to spin this off. Because when you spin that bolt, it spins the whole pipe and it'll crack the pipe and you have to get a new pipe. But this way we can spin this off. Not damage the pipe. Just keep that still.
That's it. Now, undo it. Unwind it.
Come
on. Well, we'll just keep pulling it through a bit for me. Come on. That's it. That's it. Just so you can get it, so you can move that one that way. That's it.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to warm up this bolt because it's seized onto the brake pipe. Warm it up, get some WD-40 on it just to loosen it up so we can tighten it up on the other side. Once I've done that, we're going to put the cylinder on and then put the clip back on and then tighten it up. Oh.
No, get some more in.
Oh yeah, it's going a little bit.
Well then, keep wiggling, back and forward.
Ah.
Keep going.
Stop!
Keep going, it'll be alright, go on. Wiggle, wiggle, now keep a bit further.
Again.
That's it, come on, wiggle, wiggle. Beautiful.
That's loosen it.
Yeah, just got to go right round. That's it, then back again, and a bit more, then back again. That's it, a bit further every time. Get crap coming out of it. That's it, look, can you see? Now you're working.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See the difference now? Feel the difference, can't you?
Yeah.
That'll be alright now, won't it?
Yeah.
Just make sure it'll go right round. So take it off. There, look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So now, put the brake cylinder back on and the clip around the back of it, like that. Then the nipple, tighten it up. So a very exciting day. Obviously, got loads of parts, ready to get it all back on. Just going to screw this on a little bit.
Push it, push it. That's it, now. That's it, now. Get your hammer up at the bottom. Can you see? The other way, the small one, look. That's it, now tap it in. Come on. You're not hitting it square.
Hang on. Clips back on. Bead nipples back on. Tightened up. Here, I'm rebuilding the brakes. Now, it looks like such a confusing jigsaw puzzle, but I was using the picture as reference and looking back at it every now and then.
That's it.
But, as you'll see in a minute, it didn't quite go to plan. I had to take many parts back off again and put it back on.
I go to that there now.
But it's all part of a learning process.
Bend that round so it'll get that ready, look. That's it. That's it. Got it? Get that through there. That's it. You've got it. Beautiful. Yeah. Right, why you got that there, look? That bag.
What?
Doesn't seem right. Have a look.
Why? You're not touching it.
No, but the thing's not poking through. Just
Okay, so got the plates back on. The plates, what are they called?
brake shoes. Got your brake shoes back on.
Yeah. I can't remember which way it's facing. To the bottom one.
That's it. That slot.
And what's the best way to do that?
So, pull that one in there. That's it. Now put it on. You've got it.
On the bottom one?
I think it's the bottom one, right?
Yours is, but I can't remember this one. Would it be the same?
It'll be the same. That's it. Slot to all wheel. Beautiful.
Right.
Yeah. Just tap it down a bit. You do. That's it. It'll be better when you've got your clips on there, hold it.
Yeah. Not doing that yet, am I?
No. You're getting them on now, them awkward things.
These. More good.
So they're all proper tools to do it. I'll show you. Give me a spring and a clip.
Yeah.
They're all proper tools to hold these. But you can get by. That's it all. Just have to hold it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah?
The retaining clips for the brake shoes.
Yeah.
Eee. I'm putting it back on and twisting it. Yeah. Back on.
Chuck that bottom spring on there. For me, I think it's harder to get it in here than it is to get it up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just put your pliers on here and then stretch it in. Probably, I would. Wouldn't it?
Behind him.
Yeah, use that to pull.
Yep.
Yeah. Go on then. Come on. Go on. Ooh! Slipped off. Try it again. Bring it back. Bring that back.
Okay, so last little bit, putting the brake drum retaining screws on. Now people tighten these way too much because they think it's holding it on, but the wheel's actually holding it on. This is just to stop it from falling on you when you've got the wheel off. So you don't have to tighten them up that tight.
Now, because you're winding it in,
Yeah.
it's clockwise normally to tighten, isn't it?
Yeah.
But because that thread's the other way round, what do you think you're going to do?
Anti-clockwise.
Exactly. Feel. Don't put your head in. You'll feel it. And what you're doing, you're winding them wedges in. What you find?
That way?
Yeah, yeah. What you find, if you keep one hand there, just keep going like that. Keep one hand there to put it on.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. Because it's there to there, remember, you've got to be quarter.
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on then.
Okay, so now, stop turning. So now I'm just going to wind it off, just to find the right point.
Just hear it dragging. Come on. Now stop. Now, whoa. Now. There.
Is that not wearing the brakes down all the time?
No. 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 That's bang on, that is.
In this last little bit, we're just reconnecting all the brake lines. Then we bleed the system up. Thank you very much for watching this video. Sorry if it's been a bit painful. I am trying to get better at filming and editing and doing these voiceovers. But there is a lot more exciting stuff coming. There is getting this car running and driving and on the road. I take it out to the pub. I've also recently bought another bomb find, which has been a dream car of mine, which you can see right now on my Instagram, or wait for the YouTube video to come out. But yeah, next week we're getting this one running and driving, and then the following week we are starting the new project. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week with getting this car running and driving and on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're at the very start of this journey, and there's going to be many more cars in the future.